Today I would like to talk about Huawei dish antenna installation and how the polarization direction is adjusted. We will go through the installation process in detail, as it is important if you are in the field of communications to be fully aware of all the steps of assembling and installing the dish antenna. Dish antenna installation steps. 1. Determine the height at which the dish antenna will be installed, then fix the bracket on which the dish antenna will be installed. 2. Use the compass to adjust the azimuth of the antenna. 3. Verify that the type and polarization direction is compliant with the design. 4. Adjust the polarization direction of the antenna. By default, the antenna is set to vertical polarization. The polarization identification point on the feeder should be aligned with the V mark. If the polarization direction needs to be changed, loosen the screws that fasten the feeder and rotate the feeder 90 degrees so that the polarization direction point is aligned with the H mark. You can also judge the polarization direction of the antenna by observing the waveguide of the feeder. If the short side of the rectangular waveguide is vertical to the ground surface, the antenna is vertically polarized. If it is parallel to the ground surface, the antenna is horizontally polarized. 5. Hoist the antenna to the top of the tower. 6. Fix the anti-fall bracket to the pole. The anti-fall bracket is used to support the antenna and prevent it from falling during adjustment. 7. After the antenna installation is complete, remove the 2 rubber plugs at the bottom of the antenna shield. There are 2 ways to install a microwave. A. Integrated mount, non-protection system 1+0. In this method, the ODU is installed on the dish antenna directly. This happens more with short haul, as we use dish antennas that have smaller sizes. B. Protection system 1+1. In this method, the ODUs are installed on a hybrid coupler. 8. Ensure that the polarization direction of the antenna and type of ODU and hybrid coupler are compliant with the design. 9. Install the hybrid coupler and ODU. Ensure that the polarization direction of the ODU is the same as that of the antenna.